is Arjun and welcome back to another amazing recipe. Today I'll be making mini cookies for my birthday. Let's go! We'll start by taking a large bowl and we'll add in butter. And next I'll add in brown sugar. And now let's beat it. Now into this I'll add in vanilla. Now into this we'll add in all-purpose flour, cornstarch and baking soda, and we'll give it a mix. Now into this we'll add in some milk. Now into this I'll add in choco chips. Now that our dough is ready, I'll place this in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes.
Many minutes later.
Now let's take out our cookie dough. Now with the help of a tablespoon, let's shape our cookies. Now we'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. Hear that? It is done! Ta-da! Let's give it a try! This cookie is crispy from the outside and soft and gooey from the inside. It's perfect. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!